All right, now moving on, Equity Bank Kenya Limited, the largest bank in the country by customer count, has announced a substantial reduction in interest rates, becoming the third major lender to do so in recent weeks. Equity said it will cut its rates by 3% on all its Kenya shillings-dominated credit facilities, marking the largest cut among its competitors. The new rates are effective February 13th, 2025 for new loans and March 1st for existing loans. This decision mirrors recent significant rate reductions by KCB Group, the largest bank by assets, which recently lowered its base lending rate from 15.6% to 14.6% effective February 10th, and Tier 1 lender Cooperative Bank, which reduced its rate from 16.5% to 14.5%. With the latest adjustment, Equity Bank reckons it is now positioned to offer the most affordable loans in the market, reflecting a growing trend among Kenyan banks to ease borrowing costs amid the ongoing economic pressures. All right, now the Kenya Revenue Authority, KRA, has intensified its